it's Lisa Harris with RE/MAX Center. We're at 2688 Bald Springs Road in Dacula, Georgia, where we have two magnificent homes on 45 acres. And this is the main property here. At the back of the property, there's a creek that flows through here. And this home actually has a swimming pool and a detached studio that would be perfect for a home-based office. The original property is at the street, and that would also be perfect for a home-based business or even additional rental income. We're having an open house on Saturday from 11 to 1, and we would love to see you. So come on out. We're at 2688 Bald Springs Road, and if you put it in your GPS may actually take you to Kelly Glen Court. Don't go to Kelly Glen Court. Follow the directions on 2688 Bald Springs Road, and we're at the back of the property at the main home. We hope to see you there, and if you have any questions in the meantime, you have my number. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon. When you come, we're right off of 316 and Bald Springs Road. Your GPS may say to take you to Kelly Glen Court. Don't go to Kelly Glen Court. Come to 2688 and you will see the sign, the RE/MAX sign, and that takes you, this road here takes you to the main home. And then you'll also see the rental property here, and this is actually 2668 Bald Springs Road. We're not going to be at the rental property, but we do have private tours available for that.